Have you ever felt bloated, tired, or just off, even after eating healthy food? You might be unknowingly combining the wrong foods, and your gut is paying the price. The truth is, some food combinations that seem harmless are actually disrupting your digestion, spiking inflammation, and slowing your metabolism. Worst of all, most people have no idea. In this video, we break down the 3 most dangerous food combinations for your gut and what to eat instead to feel lighter, healthier, and more energized. Stay until the end. Combination number 3 is something almost everyone eats weekly without realizing the damage it causes. Let's dive in. Combination number 1. Fruit after meals. It might sound healthy, grabbing a slice of watermelon or a few grapes after lunch. That fermentation leads to gas, bloating, and discomfort, even if everything you ate was healthy on its own. But here's what actually happens. Fruit digests quickly, much faster than meat, grains, or dairy. When you eat fruit on top of a heavy meal, it sits in your stomach and begins to ferment. A woman in her 30s shared that after switching her fruit intake to mornings only, away from meals, her bloating disappeared and her skin even started to clear. If you love fruit, eat it on an empty stomach. Your gut will thank you. Combination number 2. Protein and starch. Think steak and potatoes, burgers and buns, pasta with meatballs. These combos are common, but here is the issue: protein and starch require different digestive environments. Keep proteins and starches apart, and your gut will process meals more smoothly. Protein needs an acidic environment, starch needs alkaline. Once he began separating his meals, having proteins with vegetables instead of starch, his digestion improved dramatically. When you eat them together, your stomach struggles, slows down digestion, and creates gas, acidity, and even long-term inflammation. A man in his 40s said he always felt sluggish after dinner. After removing citrus from her dairy meals, she noticed less gas, better regularity, and even fewer breakouts. Try grilled chicken with steamed broccoli, or rice with lentils and veggies. Combination number 3. Dairy and citrus. This one shocks people, but pairing citrus fruits or juices with dairy like milk, cheese, or yogurt can curdle the dairy in your stomach and irritate your gut lining. Ever had orange juice after cereal with milk and felt uncomfortable afterward? That's why. Dairy is mucus-forming, and when combined with acidic fruits, it disrupts gut flora and slows digestion. One woman said she used to start her mornings with yogurt and grapefruit. Simple switch, big results. Here's the truth: it's not just what you eat, it's how you combine it. Your gut is your second brain. It controls your energy, your immunity, even your mood. And when you treat it right, everything else improves. Avoid these 3 food combinations and give your digestion the support it deserves. If this video helped you, type gut reset in the comments and let us know which combo surprised you the most. Don't forget to subscribe for more simple health tips that actually make a difference. No hype, just real results. Stay healthy, eat smart, and we'll see you in the next one.